Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from a seller carryback using EquityNet, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from a seller carryback using EquityNet, start by logging into your EquityNet account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the funding section. Click on Seller Carryback to access the relevant options. Locate the specific seller carryback from which you want to withdraw. Select the carryback to view its details. Review the terms and conditions associated with the carryback. Next, look for the Withdraw option on the right side of the screen. Click on Withdraw to initiate the process. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to withdraw. Read the confirmation message carefully before proceeding. After confirming, the system will process your withdrawal request. You may receive a notification about the status of your withdrawal. Ensure that you check your email for any communication from EquityNet regarding your request. If required, reach out to customer support for any questions regarding the withdrawal. Wait for the processing time to complete, as specified in the guidelines. Once approved, the funds will be available as indicated in your account. Keep a record of all documentation related to your withdrawal for future reference. This completes the process for withdrawing from a seller carryback using EquityNet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.